If equipped, Adaptive Cruise Control, or ACC, brings useful adaptive features to the standard cruise control system by maintaining a set distance between you and the driver in front of you. To activate ACC, push the on/off button on your steering wheel. An indicator light in your instrument cluster will let you know the system is active. Accelerate to the speed you want to maintain. Then push the Res Set switch downward and release it to set the speed. Take your foot off the accelerator and the vehicle will cruise at the speed you've selected. Tap the Res Set switch up or down to increase or decrease your set speed in 1 mile per hour or 1 kilometer per hour increments. Push and hold the switch up or down to adjust your set speed in 5 mile per hour or 10 kilometer per hour increments. To disengage the cruise control without erasing your set speed memory, simply tap the brake pedal. To resume set speed, push the Res Set switch upward and release it. Pushing the on/off button again or turning the engine off will erase the set speed memory. When ACC is engaged, you'll see the set distance icon in your instrument cluster. The system defaults to the maximum distance setting. Each time you push the distance button, the distance setting will decrease until it cycles back to the maximum setting. The last used distance setting will be stored when the system is turned off and recalled when it's turned back on again. If the system detects a slower vehicle ahead, the vehicle icon will change from gray to white. The system will override your set speed and maintain a set distance between you and the driver in front of you. To deactivate ACC, push the ACC on/off button again. It's best to leave the system off when not in use. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.